I am going to do a video on Snagit, how to record your screen using the program Snagit. We have the program Snagit, so you just go to the magnifying glass, type in Snagit, click on Snagit 2019. If you don't see it come up here, sometimes it just comes up here as the white S on the orange. You can do an image. When this is white, what you do, you capture. You put it where you want it, hold it down, and you're going to capture it. Once it's captured, it's going to go straight to your Snagit editor. Here you have lots of tools that you can use when you're taking just an image. You can use your arrow, point to something. You can use the text box, write what you want to say in it. You can also use fill, shapes. Once you're done that, then you just do copy all, and you have it as a paste that you can use. If you want to do video, you can click on video. What you do is you capture, and then you're going to capture what part of the screen you want to use. So if I only want to do this section of the screen, I would just stop right there. That is the part that I am going to video. So then I'm going to video it and record it. Once I have done recording, then you can go to your Snagit editor, and it is blue. When it comes up, you will see that I have some videos here. These are the ones with the times. I can pull it up, and you can actually use this bar here to do cutting. You can see that I can cut, and I can change things out. You can't do much editing inside, and you can't use any of these tools, but you can do cutting where you cut out a piece in the middle, or you can cut out a little piece on the end, and then it will take that out for you. That is the simple way to do a capture of an image and a capture of a video. That's Snagit.